The Chained Cow and the New King of the Forest. In the lush green forest, there lived a chained cow who yearned to become a mother.
Why can't I become a mother? Oh, great saint monkey, please bless me with a child.
I can save you, but there is a catch.
Anything, just please help me.
Pray to the sun every morning for 2 years at the river to be blessed with a superpowered baby who will one day become the king of the forest. But you must leave your baby for 10 years after giving birth to keep him safe.
I will do as you say. Thank you, Saint Monkey.
Her dedication, she gave birth to a beautiful calf with extraordinary abilities. Overwhelmed with joy, the cow hid her baby in the forest as per Saint Monkey's advice.
I must get the superpowers.
Leave the baby cow alone. He is under my protection.
I will not stop until I get his superpowers.
Then you will have to go through me first. You have great potential, my son. I will train you to become a strong and fearless warrior.
Thank you, Lion King. I will not let you down. But Wolf was not deterred and continued to make several attempts to harm the baby cow. As time passed, the baby cow grew into a strong and fearless young bull under the Lion King's tutelage. Without the Lion King's protection, Wolf gathered his group of wolves and attacked the baby cow. But just then, the chained cow, the baby cow's mother, entered the forest and witnessed the brutal attack. It seems like there's no hope.
How dare you hurt my child?
She immediately charges at the wolves, using her enormous strength to fight them off and save her son. The chained cow has emerged victorious, and the wolves flee the forest. The chained cow embraces her son, who is now a full-grown bull.
My son, I'm so proud of you. You have grown into a brave and powerful warrior.
Mother, it's so good to finally meet you. The baby cow inherits the Lion King's legacy as the new king of the forest and vows to protect all the animals with wisdom and kindness. I shall rule with justice and peace for all the inhabitants of this forest. The chained cow and her son walked through the forest, keeping a watchful eye on everything around them.
Together, we shall protect this forest from any harm that might come our way.
The end.